Hey guys, it's the Aspiring Plumber here. Just wanted to go through some drain cleaning techniques for you. So first we're going to start off with the toilet snake. Now this is something that's quite reasonable that you can, invest. Put it in a garbage bag, stick it in the closet. You can purchase them at hardware store, plumbing wholesalers. You can also find them online. So I have pulled this back, okay? Now, how well you can see there, what I want to do is insert it. Insert till the rubber part is lodged right inside so that we're not scratching up the bowl. So we just want to slowly turn the handle here. You can see now, obviously this is my toilet at home and it's not clogged. I don't think anyone wanted to see a clogged toilet. They're not always pretty to look at. So what we'll do is we'll just spin this, and like all drain cleaning, what you're looking at is just you're spinning on the corners or the turns, okay? Now, things to note, when things say that they're flushable, usually they're not. Unless it is waste or toilet paper, don't put it down in your toilet, please. I've made too much money off of feminine products, etc. I've heard stories of guys having to literally replace toilets because, people have put things in that they shouldn't. Now, one of the big things here is once I've cleared it, you can see that the snake is all the way down. What I then want to do is take a bucket of water and dump it into the toilet just to ensure, because I can control the amount of water that goes in, and that represents a flush. Okay, now obviously I'm not going to do this here in this situation. Once I've put the bucket of water through, then I'm going to flush the toilet. Okay? And that's going to do a couple things. It's going to help to clean off my auger. So I'm going to do that a few times. And then I'm going to bring the snake back. It allows it to stay clean. Now I'm going to still spin and turn as I'm going back. Now I've brought everything out from metal chopsticks to small toys, toothbrushes, the list goes on. So now once I get it to this point, it's always good to have a bucket in place. You can even set a cloth over the front of the toilet to prevent scratching. Once I get it to this point and I know that it's clean, okay, I'm just going to gently try and keep it over the toilet, pull it up, snap it in, and then in this case I keep mine in a plastic bag and then a bucket, just because I'm dealing with customers. And that's how you use a toilet auger. Okay? Now, we'll also go through plunging a toilet in future videos. We'll show you how to auger a kitchen sink, how to detect leaks, and just general maintenance of your home. It's extremely important to understand that our job is to educate, but sometimes it doesn't replace situations where you need to have a plumber. Thanks. Have a great day. See you guys soon.